One form of capital would simply endlessly transmute into another, of course obeying the laws of thermodynamics that Nicolas Georgescu Roegen wrote about in his 1971 magnum opus, The Entropy Law and the Economic Process. But it would be powered by endless geothermal and solar power and their derivatives, as predicted by Thomas Edison from his labs and the electric car company he ran with industrialist Henry Ford across the river in New Jersey. You will find when you do a deep dive into urban ecology, even forgetting the ancient hanging gardens of Babylon, where hydroponics and aquaponics started at the beginning of civilization, that the megacities of the North alone could do more to heal the planet than just about anywhere else. Our cities are the best place for drawdown solution number 73, green roofs, expected to reduce 0.77 gigatons of CO2 with a net investment of $1.39 trillion and a net savings of $988.5 billion. They are also the perfect venue for LED lighting, both household, solution number 33, with its 7.81 gigaton reduction estimated to cost $323.5 billion and saving $1.73 trillion, and commercial solution number 44, drawing down 5.04 gigatons CO2 at a startling net cost of negative $205.1 billion and a net savings of $1.09 trillion. Just look again at the lights of the city taken from space, and that becomes obvious. But something else comes into play here. With tuned LEDs using so little energy, the bright lights of the city can also be used to grow food and do carbon sequestering vegetation on the north side of buildings, to say nothing of east and west, places that receive no direct sunlight. So the city now becomes multiple times more productive than any farmland could ever be. And what's even cooler is that LEDs use so little energy that they can be powered by solar cells. It's a sort of one-to-one correspondence, because LEDs actually are backwards solar cells. One takes light and turns it into electricity, the other takes electricity and turns it into light. So a solar city really is possible. And that's why my NGO is called Solar Cities, because we can. And there are so many other drawdown solutions that can be most easily done in cities. I'll leave it to you to explore all the possibilities.